If you'd have stayed in Fianna Fáil, where do you think you'd be now?
Well, I wasn't staying in Fianna Fáil. I don't know. I mean, if I had...
You'd be leader of the party.
If I had stayed in teaching, if I was a window cleaner, you know, if ifs and ifs. That's not a serious question, Hugh. Okay. I thought that was a bit of a silly question, actually. I tell you, you asked me about Fianna Fáil. The reality is that I discovered that I was just in the wrong party. And I still have lots of friends who are active Fianna Fáil members, and they're very good people. But I would say, I have said this to them, so it's no news to them, that for me as a person who sees politics as a vehicle for change, and more to the point, a person who's committed to social justice issues, that just was not where Fianna Fáil was at. I don't think to this day it's where Fianna Fáil are at. So,
okay.
Does that help?
It doesn't really answer the question, but...